Horticulture Lighting Group revolutionized its operations with MRP software, propelling unprecedented growth and efficiency. LED solutions are empowering indoor plant growers to achieve remarkable productivity beyond traditional lighting systems. Initially managing operations without software, HLG faced challenges as production demands surged, prompting a software upgrade. After a failed ERP implementation, the company sought a solution designed specifically for small to medium-sized enterprises. CFO Bruce Heinemann learned firsthand the pitfalls of complex ERP systems, leading to urgent changes in strategy. MRPeasy emerged as the perfect fit, smoothly integrating with HLG's diverse sales channels and business needs. With MRPeasy, employees quickly recognized its value, gaining crucial insights into production workflows and inventory management. Implementation took just under 3 months, showing starkly different results compared to the previous ERP attempts. The new system not only improved internal operations, but also enhanced customer confidence with accurate lead time data. Thanks to MRPeasy, Horticulture Lighting Group is now focused on innovation and customer satisfaction, illuminating their path forward.